Until today, I had no idea that these beautiful heart-shaped cookies, the ones we used to call elephant ears at our school canteen, were this easy to make. Back then, they were huge, crispy, golden, and we'd buy them with our pocket money. But today, we're making their tiny, adorable cousins, little bite-sized palmiers that are so light and so crunchy. Alright, let's get started. I've taken 1 pack of puff pastry sheets. That's about 400 grams, and it comes with 10 square pieces of this size. They're at room temperature, but make sure they're not too soft. You still want them easy to handle. Now on a big tray, sprinkle a little brown sugar or white sugar if you prefer. You can even add a touch of cinnamon or nutmeg powder to lift the aroma, but I'm keeping it classic with just brown sugar. Coat each pastry sheet from both sides until the sugar sticks beautifully all over the surface. Then start folding the sheet. Roll from both ends toward the center until the 2 rolls meet right in the middle. Gently press them together. This is what forms that signature heart shape. Do the same with all the sheets, sugar, fold, and roll. That's it. Just 2 ingredients, puff pastry and sugar, yet the taste feels like something out of a bakery. Just a few rolls here, no big deal. It's giving bakery core energy, right? Stay with me. These are about to turn into something adorable. Once you've rolled them all, wrap them in cling film and pop them into the freezer for about 10 minutes, just until they firm up a little. Then unwrap them and slice each roll into 1-inch pieces. You'll get around 6 to 7 cookies per roll. Now coat each piece again in brown sugar so they caramelize evenly and turn extra crisp while baking. Line a tray with parchment paper and place these sugar-coated hearts with a little space in between, because trust me, they'll puff up like magic. Bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, or until they turn perfectly golden, glossy, and irresistibly crunchy. And just look at that, each one puffed up into a perfect, shiny heart. So tempting and so crisp that when I say crunchy, I mean crunchy. If you're wondering about sugar quantity, use as much or as little as you like. The more sugar that coats the pastry, the crispier and glossier they turn out, thanks to that caramelized layer of sweetness. So that's it. Just puff pastry and sugar, and you get these heavenly, light-as-air cookies that melt and crackle with every bite. I'll see you soon with another easy, cozy recipe. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and happy cooking!